Some time ago, Jeff bought egg stocks with the cost of rupees 5 each. Today, Jeff is going to sell all these egg stocks as rupees Jeff. What is Jeff's total profit after he sells them? Jeff's total profit equals the total amount he received by selling the stocks minus total amount by spent by buying them. The answer is given in the question only. Input is first line. We have to take t test cases. In first line of each test case contains three integers x, y, and z. So first we need to multiply 20 into 2 minus 5 into x. That is, after increasing the price, this is the stock value. We are multiplying with each stock minus buying price, selling price minus buying price. It's a very simple question. Here is a code in C++. Include bit /std++.h using namespace std. Okay, we are scanning the test cases, for loop for the test cases, declaring the x, y, and z, scanning the x, y, and z. X minus z means selling price and y minus x price buying price. We should print the output in each output in new line. So I'm copying the code. I'll submit it. Now C++. Run the code. Okay. I'll submit it. Okay. Okay. 100% all the submit test cases are passed. Subscribe for more. Thank you.